Do you know the meaning of the words, even the death of the cross? Huh? That is the most cruel capital punishment ever invented by man. More cruel than the guillotine that was invented in France. And the very first person that experienced the guillotine was the Joan of Arc. More cruel than musketry. The death on the cross is the most cruel death. And listen, He did it for you and for me. That's why I get upset and angry when you make a mockery of Jesus Christ. You should not. Para bang you make a mockery of my Father, of which I'm not going to allow. Para bang nagmura ka, minumura mo yung nanay ng tao. I'm not going to allow that you mock and curse my own mother. Eh kung yung tatay ko at nanay ko mahalaga sa akin, lalo pa kaya ang Panginoong Jesucristo na naging tagapagligtas ko